Hi everyone, welcome to Discovering Natural. Today we're talking about baby hair wash day struggles, and this is my lovely friend's daughter. She's very rambunctious, but today a mom brought her over to me and we're going to do her hair. So the first thing is entertainment. You have to get this child entertained. Some people don't believe in entertainment, but if you have a child and you've been there, you've done that, you need something to distract them. Next, make sure your child eats. Okay, make sure your child is fed before that wash day, because if they're not fed before wash day, they can get really cranky, and no one wants a cranky baby during wash day. So please feed your kid and let them rest, and now they're ready to wash their hair. So time to wash your hair. She's set, she's got fed, she has her entertainment. You have the right products to use. Make sure the child is comfortable in the position that she's going to wash her hair. This is the position that is comfortable for us. We're using a shampoo mate, information in the description area. When you do the hair, walk in sections. Walking in sections allow you to be able to get through the thick hair, especially if your baby has really thick hair. You want to walk in sections. That will make it easier for you when you're detangling the hair, when you're washing the hair. And then make sure the child also has entertainment. That will really help them out. When it's time to dry the hair, we're using a t-shirt because towels can pull on the hair. And to style the hair, we're keeping the baby in a position that is comfortable for the child, and also that is comfortable for you to do the baby's hair. And of course, a mom has a favorite show for her to watch, and she can watch that. Now, do styles that are easy for the child. We are also doing styles that is also comfortable for the lifestyle of the mother. Now, this style is cornrow and it will last a very long time, and this will prevent us prevent the mother from constantly having to comb the hair every morning. Make sure the hair is neat every time. So putting the baby's hair in a protective style with their own hair helps a lot. Some children need to be sleeping when they're doing their hair. It is okay. I did that with my firstborn. She was sleeping when I did her hair. That worked for us. If it works for you, that is good. Now, the next thing is beads. If you like putting beads in your baby's hair, please make sure the baby is at an age where they're not going to be eating that bead. You don't want that. Now, it's simple to install these beads. Just wrap the last bead, hair on the last bead. Okay, the little piece of hair on the last bead, and then take your elastic and wrap it through the middle part. I think I'm explaining well, but that's how you do with beads. And when you want to cut out beads, click on that link that just popped up. That is how you do it. And this is what the hair looks like after we've beaded it up. It is nice and it is pretty. And yeah, so that is the aspect about beads. Once you've done that, also do not make the style too tight on the edges. We don't want our babies losing their edges. There's no reason to have the baby hair all pulled. And when you're done, everything looks so pretty. You are ready to go. Remember, some children need other ways to tolerate styling their hair. You do what works for you. This is what works for us and what works for the mother. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and give us a thumbs up. Thanks. Bye.